great to be able to get out into our gardens at this time of year and really appreciate the signs of spring and the new growth that's coming through. It also gets us out in the fresh air, and if we do a little bit of tidying up at the same time, we feel like we've really achieved something in the garden. Just down here I have a border with some, this is epimedium. This is old growth from last year. This plant will put on new growth again this year. I've left it over the winter just to give a bit of coverage on the ground, but now I can start to take this away, and if you can see what will be emerging from underneath are these lovely spring bulbs. These spring bulbs here, these are little daffodils, little tete-a-tetes they're called, and what I'm doing is if I clear away I can give them some air and some light, and I can also see them when the flower buds open.